mga ka-Jblog, Maring Ana is here and this is another vlog takeover sa KL Telecom. So for today's content, price update naman tayo ng Pro series dito sa KL Telecom. So before we start, I just want to share saan ba ang location ng KL Telecom. So KL Telecom is located at 3rd floor V Mall. Sakay lang kayo ng elevator and then dire-diretso lang yan. Makakakita ka agad kayo ng structure ng KL Telecom and mostly makikita nyo dito si Belen, si Boss Eli, or si Ate Mary Rose. So, yun yung location ng KL Telecom. And pag nag-purchase pala kayo ng unit dito sa KL Telecom, meron na kasama yung gift box. So, sa loob ng gift box, may kasama na tong battery pack, MagSafe charger, MagSafe case, AirPods, and also adapter and cord. Aside from that, you also have 2 silicone cases na freebies. May cashback pa yon na 500 pesos every unit na ipapurchase nyo with KL Telecom. Basta subscriber or follower kayo sa KL Telecom and also sa channel natin, which is the J-Vlog Stories. And syempre, meron din silang on-the-spot raffle. Ito yung on-the-spot raffle nila. So, sa on-the-spot raffle, meron tong cash prize, AirPods, smartwatch, charger, and also Android phone. So, biruin nyo yun, nakabili na kayo ng unit sa kanila and then you also have a chance to win Android phone. So, meron tayo ditong 13 Pro hanggang 15 Pro, 16 Pro. 16 ba to? 15 Pro hanggang 15 Pro. So, sa 13 Pro natin, nadodoling na ako. So, sa 13 Pro, we have 2 variants, 128GB and also 256GB. So, 128GB, 28,000. 256GB, that is 29,500. Again, lahat ng price na babanggitin ko, meron pa po yung cashback. Okay? So, ito yung 13 Pro na meron si KL Telecom. We have silver, black, Shera blue. Ayan, 13 Pro. Silver, black, and Shera blue. Ito lang yung available na colors sa kanila. As of now, ay no, meron pa pala silang alpine green, sorry. So, may alpine green din dito. Ayan. So, may alpine green, Shera blue, and also silver and black. So, they have 4 different colors in here. When it comes naman sa battery health, marami din silang choices. If by any chance you're looking for higher battery health, they can also help you. So far, ang nakikita kong battery health ni 13 dito is 83, 86, 85, 92. 92 is the highest battery health so far na nakikita kong stocks nila dito sa KL Telecom. Okay? So, later on, let's try to explore each unit, battery health, and camera also. So, 14 Pro, we have 2 variants, 128GB and also 256GB. 128GB, 35,500. 256, that is 38,000 pesos. So, we have here 128GB with 89% yung battery health. Again, deep purple lang yung available nila dito, but you don't have to worry if you're looking for or if bayan na siya sa ganap kayo ibang color ng 14 Pro or any of their units, pwede kayo mag-ask ng assistance. Pwede nilang i-check yung stocks sa baba, which is sa CMB Gadget sa 2nd floor, Tiangge X807. So, pwede lang kayang i-help doon or kuhanan ng stocks sa baba. By the way, sa baba pala, ang mostly makikita nyo doon is si Boss Mayet, si Alma, and also si James. Sila yung makikita nyo mostly doon sa baba. Alright, so next is 15 Pro. So we have one 15 Pro in here na may box. Ayan. May box, same price lang sa may box. So we have here 15 Pro na may box. So 15 Pro, 128GB nila is 46,000 and 256GB that is 49,500. So we have 2 kinds of variants when it comes to storage. So yun yung available nila. Next is Samsung. May nag-isa pala silang Samsung dito. So Samsung S24 Plus. So S24 Plus, may box na din to. May box ba to? May box. Ang amount nito is 32,000. So, ang gig na meron, 512 pala to guys. 512, 32,000 pesos. So, nag-iisa na lang to, S24 Plus. So, next is, when it comes pala sa, sa Samsung nila, meron din yung, cashback yan. Huwag kayong mag-alala. So, meron din tayong 14 Pro Max dito na may box at meron pang resibo na nakatago. Meron tayong may box dito na for smart lock. Bossing, magkano tayo smart lock? So, 38,014 Pro Max. Ilang gig ulit to, bossing? 128 GB. So, deep purple yung color. So, mamaya later on, check natin yung battery health din ng mga to. We also have here 15 Pro Max. 15 Pro Max to, love, di ba? So, 15 Pro Max, meron tayo dito. Yung 14 Pro Max earlier, smart lock yun ha, kaya 38,000 yun ha. Pero, yung regular na 14 Pro Max nila na open line, meron silang dalawang variants. Yung 128GB, 41,000. Yung 256GB, that is 45,000. Alright? So, yung 15 Pro Max naman nila, which is itong hawak natin. So, 15 Pro Max, we have two variants. 256GB, 53,000. 512GB, that is 58,000. Meron tayong iPad 10. 10 Gen ba to? So, we have iPad 10 Gen, 64 gig. Good as new. May box na rin kasama dito. 18,500. And sabi ni Boss Eli, may warranty pa daw to. So, let's check later. Let's proceed naman sa checking ng battery health. Each unit na meron tayo dito. We have 13 Pro. So, let's try to check the battery health. Ayan, so 93 nga dito eh. So, don't worry guys kung nakita nyo dito sa phone na nagda-doubt kayo sa mga battery health ng mga units ng KingL Telecom or CMB Gadget. You also have an option to check the battery using TU Tools. So, check natin yung quality ng 13 Pro. Ayan yung times. Yung 0.5, ayan. 3. So, let's try the selfie camera also. Ayan, may portrait. Ayan. Actually, maganda talaga tong 13 Pro kasi meron din kami isang phone ito which is yung review namin previously, yung Shera Blue. 14 Pro, yung nag-iisa na lang 14 Pro dito. 89% yung battery health. Ay, pinipindot ko yung password natin. 000. Oh, mali. Ayan. So, 13 Pro. 14 Pro. Battery. Ayan. 88% yung battery health. 88%. Let's try to check the camera. Ayan. Grabe oh. Ganda yung quality ng 14 Pro. 15 Pro Max. We have 15 Pro Max in here. Wait lang. Hirap naman itong kuko na to. Ayan o, 89% yung battery health. This was activated way back October 2023 and cycle count is 453,000. Ay, 453 yung cycle count. Next is yung 14 na Pro Max nila. Ito yung sabi ni Boss Eli na may warranty pa na 14 Pro Max. Ayan. So, ito yung battery health. 85% yung battery health. And, ang kinis pa nitong 14 Pro Max na to 14 Pro Max. Meron pa pala tayong ibang 14 Pro Max dito. 128GB din. Ayan o. So, merong 83% tsaka 86% battery health. Next is ito. 15 Pro. So, 15 Pro. Open muna natin. So, 15 Pro. 100% pa pala yung battery nito. Tsaka 1 cycle count pa lang. Yung 15 Pro. And meron pa siyang warranty up until next year. January 2026. Meron din sila palang 15 Pro Max dito. So, may box din to, yung 15 Pro nila. Again, 1 cycle count. Grab nyo na to. So, last na meron tayo dito is yung iPad. Oops, iPad. So, kompleto din tong iPad nila. Tingnan natin yung camera nito. Oops. Ay. Ayaw. Ayan. Mm. So, ito yung iPad 10th Gen. So, again, mga ka-J-Vlog, when it comes naman sa warranty, meron silang 7 days replacement. Hindi po kasama doon yung LCD damage, water damage, and also when it comes doon sa, ano ba yan? Software update. And huwag kayong mag-alala, if ever man, pwede din nila kayong bigyan ng assistance dahil meron silang service warranty, 3 months service warranty. So, sa payment method naman, meron din silang installment via through credit card, GGive, something like that. And meron din silang, ang mode of payment naman nila, cash, GCash, bank transfer, any of your cards na gusto nyong gamitin. Sa shipping, they also ship nationwide naman via LBC, via LBC. Meron lang silang minimum na, maximum down payment na 5,000, minimum is 3,000. Alam ko 3,000 yung pinaka-minimum nila. Depende na lang sa pag-uusapan nyo. Mag-message na lang kayo sa page nila. CMB Gadget, yung may blue check po, yun po yung legit shop or legit page ng shop na to. Para din maging aware kayo kasi sometimes they're using KNL Telecom or CMB Gadget na hindi naman sila talaga affiliated from this shop. So, meron din silang cash on delivery. Mag-message lang po kayo sa page nila. So, this is just a quick update lang naman. Once again, mga ka-G-Vlog, Maring Ana is here or Maring Ana is back and thank you so much for watching. Bye, yours.